Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Honda HR-V vs ZR-V, which is better. First, focus on seating, cargo space, and driving feel, then weigh cost versus features and ownership value. I will highlight real-world pros and cons for city commuting, highway comfort, and weekend trips, and suggest which buyer should choose which model based on budget, priorities, and lifestyle. Let's talk design and comfort in a friendly way. I sound like a neighbor giving advice. The HR-V favors comfort and clever storage, while the ZR-V leans toward sporty ergonomics and textured materials. Ride quality, seat support, and cabin quietness differ by trim, so weigh how much time you spend on long drives versus short trips when choosing between them. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more comparisons. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof meal prep containers shown make packing road snacks and lunches simple and worry-free, which is perfect for test drives and busy weeks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set. Now let's get back to the video. Performance matters, but so does efficiency. I'll keep this simple and practical. Expect the HR-V to return solid fuel numbers and composed highway manners, while the ZR-V brings sharper throttle response and tighter handling for twisty roads. Consider your commute length, average passenger load, and desire for spirited driving when deciding which character fits your lifestyle best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.